In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to export Trello boards. If you're looking to save or share your Trello board information outside of Trello, you're in the right place. First up, let's navigate to the top right corner of the Trello board you're currently using. You should see a small icon that looks like three dots lined vertically. This is the button you'll need to click to access further options for your board. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, a menu will appear, presenting you with several choices about what you can do with your board. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're focused on the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. Click on this option to proceed. After clicking, you'll see a few different routes you can take in terms of exporting your board data. Trello provides you with choices to either print the board, export it as a CSV file, or export it as a JSON file. Choosing the right format depends on what you plan to do with the data. If you want a quick hard copy, printing might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you need to manipulate the data in Excel or another spreadsheet program, exporting as a CSV file would be ideal. For those of you who might be more tech-savvy or plan on integrating this data into other apps or systems, exporting as a JSON file could be exactly what you're after. It's important to point out that this convenient exporting feature is only available for those who are using Trello's premium plan. If you're on a free plan and don't see these options, that might be the reason why. In that case, considering an upgrade could definitely be worthwhile if exporting is a feature you need regularly. And that's actually all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've just learned how to export your Trello board data quickly and efficiently using Trello's built-in tools. Remember, staying organized sometimes also means getting your data where you need it, whenever you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out our other guides for more Trello tips and tricks.